President Muhammadu Buhari on Monday, 13th of January 2020, signed the Finance Bill 2019 into law, increasing the value-added tax rate from 5 to 7.5%.
We are doing something that we have abandoned for about 20 years. It's ideal that an economy or a government should continually review its tax regulations, simply because the world is not waiting for you, the world is moving.
The managing consultant Pedabo, Albert Folonsho, while explaining the Finance Act and its modalities, said the provisions in the Act are in the interest of the poor and small and medium enterprises.
Like the poor, you said, those who are into small businesses, I can tell them for free that this finance bill is majorly for them. Okay, number one is the fact that you are even exempted from paying tax if your turnover is not up to 25 million. And that is a huge threshold, okay? Two is the fact that when you start your business, if you don't make profit, you don't pay tax, okay? And if you are not a company, you don't pay company income tax, the federal government. Then from 25 million up to 100 million, which is more or less the medium, you pay 20% as against the 30% that is applicable to the large company. A lot of people are focused on the one that affects the everybody, which is the value-added tax. Okay, of course, we expect that all companies will immediately.
Folonsho added that the provision in the Act making tax identification number a requirement for bank transaction is applicable to business accounts and not for the unemployed.
The provision says TIN number for business account. So if you are an individual doing business in your name, okay, you must obtain a TIN number. Okay, so if you don't have any business anyway, you're not supposed to pay tax. So there's no even fear obtaining the TIN. It is only when you have transaction that tax is on profit. Okay, tax is on transaction. If you are unemployed and you have a TIN number, you are registered, it doesn't make any difference. You don't pay tax on what you don't earn.
The former President Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, Folusha Fashoto, stressed the need for widespread advocacy as this will increase the compliance level.
There is a need for widespread advocacy concerning this finance bill. For example, a lot of people relate the increase in VAT rate to finance bill. Every other provision there is unknown to quite a lot of people. But if we have enlightenment programs by various stakeholders, everybody will know that this is a good thing to have happened to the taxpayers since the inception of this country, Nigeria.
Guidelines are already being worked upon, and as soon as maybe before the implementation, which is just next 2 weeks, some may come out. But the information circular did not know Gazette. That's, you can just do that one. Guidelines also need no gazetting. So we are working on guidelines and information circulars. But for regulations, it may not be immediate.
He added the implementation of the 7.5% value-added tax the federal government say will take effect from February 1st, 2020. Nkiru Nwokeji, AIT News, Lagos.